We are going through exercise 6D, and in this video we'll be going through question 2a, which is asking us to solve each of the following. So here is our equation that we need to solve for. Now we know we're going to have to use our null factor law, but before we can do that, we need to factorize this equation. Looking at this, you can immediately identify the fact that we have a common factor of x. So in other words, we have an x in each of our terms here. So the first thing that I'm going to do is take that out to the front. So I'm going to say we have x squared minus 2x, and then finally minus 8. Having done that, I'm now going to factorize this quadratic. Now hopefully you can all remember how to do this. I need two numbers which multiply to get me -8. So a product of -8. Then I need two numbers that add to get -2. So that is sum of -2. And what are these two numbers going to be? Obviously it's going to be -4 and 2, because -4 times 2 is -8, -4 plus 2 is -2. So that means I can now rewrite this as x is x minus 4, x plus 2. Now that I've factorized it, I can now use my null factor law, which tells me that one of these, or all of them, has to be equal to 0 if my product is 0. So in other words, what I could say is that either this x is equal to 0, or this is equal to 0, x minus 4 is equal to 0, or finally, this is equal to 0, x plus 2 is equal to 0. Having done that, the only thing left for me to do now is to find what x is for each of these. So obviously here it's already done, x is equal to 0, so I can put 0 here. Here, obviously after I rearrange this, x is going to be equal to 4. And then finally for this one, it's going to be -2. And just like that, I have answered this question. Hopefully this was helpful to you.